read the Quran, but do we truly understand what Allah is saying to us? What if this Ramadan became the month your heart finally listened? Welcome back to our Ramadan Reminder Series, Day 27. Reading the Quran with Understanding and Tafsir. Are we ready to read the noble Quran, not only with our eyes, but with reflection, contemplation, and deep attention? When we recite the Quran, we should think about its meanings and seek explanations from Tafsir, learning what our Lord is telling us through His words. This is one of the most fitting acts for Ramadan, the month of the Quran. Reading, reflecting, and studying its meanings allows us to earn multiplied rewards while making real progress on the path of knowledge. If we do not yet know how to read the Quran, we should use Ramadan as an opportunity to learn. If we can read but do not understand, we should turn to a translation that includes explanations, or, even better, study a reliable tafsir. In this way, we truly honor Ramadan as the month of the Quran. Following the example of the righteous generations, we should open our hearts completely to Allah's words and strive sincerely to understand His message in a way that matches the sacred spirit of Ramadan. Consulting prophetic traditions about Ramadan and fasting also deepens our appreciation of this blessed time. Whoever strives to learn in this month will find that Allah grants understanding with special blessing. The Quran was not sent only to be read, it was sent to be understood and lived. Let this Ramadan be the month you connect your heart to Allah's words. Subscribe to Light of Iman for daily reminders, and share this message with someone who wants to grow closer to the Quran. May Allah open our hearts to His guidance.